Hey guys, Sean Ray here, and today we're going to be talking about if you should wait to buy a property until you get your LLC set up. This question comes to us from Justin T. He commented on another video asking about this question, so I wanted to respond to him. Now this is a little ahead of our time. We still need to make a lot of videos first before we really truly expand on this one, but I want to quickly go over the reason why I don't want you to even worry about LLCs yet. When you first get started into real estate investing, I want you to start thinking of the 3 or 5% down loan to buy a personal property, and then once you do that, start stacking that and building out wide. And then once you get all those houses paid off, or once you get one of those houses paid off, then you can put it into LLC. Why is that? The LLC is there if you own the property outright. So if you buy that property cash, you can buy it through your LLC. But if you're trying to do a conventional financing, say for instance Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac or something like that, then you can't necessarily buy it through an LLC anyways. It has to be as a sole proprietor. So that means you have to buy it under your name. And so once you buy it under your name and the property's in your name, then the only way that you can get it out of your name into LLC is basically if you deed it to your LLC, which in that case you might have a due on sale clause. And if it does a due on sale clause, then whenever you sell it to your LLC, you might have to pay the entire amount of loan and then give it to your LLC. And so that is not what I recommend for people that are getting started into this Airbnb investing or just real estate investing in general. I recommend getting in for as low money as possible, 3 or 5% down, just to get you in the game, get your feet wet, start making money right out of the gate. And then once you get into like 5 properties or so, and then you start seeing a lot of that cash flow coming in, then you start taking that cash flow to start paying down some of these loans. And once you get one of these houses paid down, or 2 or 3, whatever it is, that's whenever you can send it into an LLC and start getting yourself a lot more protection. And so this is a quick answer. We'll go significantly more in depth on LLCs in the future after we get through exactly how to set up everything you need to know about getting into an Airbnb investment. But then once we get you into the Airbnb investment, then we're going to talk about the future growth, how to get multiple, and how to set up for a big, wide expansion, and then how to protect yourself through taxes and your LLC and everything. So stay tuned. We'll do that in the future. Thanks again, Justin T, for the question, and everybody that is watching this video. If you have a certain question like he did, make sure to comment below and send me any kind of video ideas, because I'm just here to help you guys out. And so anything you have a question about, I'm more than happy to make a video about it in the future. And also do me a favor by make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, like notification bell, all sorts of stuff. I'm also on Instagram at Sean Ray Realty as well. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.